Want to instantly grab your audience's attention? Try the smash cut. It is one of the most powerful tools in an editor's kit. See that? The sudden shift creates an immediate impact. A smash cut works by creating a sharp contrast between two scenes. It's all about the sudden shift in mood and volume. By jumping from a slow-paced moment to an explosive one, you shock the viewer's senses in the best way possible. It's also a perfect tool for comedy or sudden revelations. You can build tension and then break it instantly. The contrast between expectation and reality is where the magic happens. Use it to subvert what the audience thinks is coming next. Think about the juxtaposition. A professional setting suddenly replaced by pure, unbridled chaos. Experiment with your timing to maximize that shock factor. The faster the cut, the more surprising the result. Next time your edit feels a bit flat, don't reach for a fade, reach for a smash cut. Smash it. And remember, play with your audio levels to really sell the effect. Happy editing!